Hi guys, this is the room tour of room R on deck Riviera, deck number 14, R443 on Regal Princess. So this is midship elevators right here. And if you take midship elevators, it's literally, look, you come through here and it's right here. And the cool thing with the medallion, as soon as you approach it, it will automatically unlock your door. And it will show the green light when you're ready to open. You come in, you have this card. It's always permanently inserted that controls the master lights. You come in through here. And as you enter, you have your full-length mirror. It's really cool. Okay. And to your left, you have your closet. It's an open closet, unlike most other ships where they have doors on them. But this one's open. On the back here of your door, you have your evacuation instructions along with your muster station information. For this room, it's muster station D. So this closet is plenty big. It has a lot of hangers. Also, if you don't have enough hangers and you go to your medallion, the Princess app, you could go to order stateroom amenities and you could order additional hangers or bathrobes like we have here. You have a bathrobe, bathrobe pillows, blankets, things like that. They're free of charge. You could order additional if you'd like, if you don't feel like you have enough for what you need. Also here you have your closet with shelves, okay, and your storage safe. And above there you have one more shelf along with your life jackets. Also, when you come in, this light right here, it's automatic. There's no switch for this light, but as you enter this room or throughout the night, if you need to use the restroom, the second you enter this general area, it will turn on automatically by itself. Super helpful, super awesome. Now, this is the bathroom. Right here, you have the switch on your left side. It's smaller than usual, but it's spacious enough. You have 3 shelves over here. You have another big storage shelf on the bottom. You have a the pump soap and lotion, which is unusual. Normally they have bars and no lotion at all. This is your shower with a curtain and the rod to hang stuff. Over here you have a shampoo and conditioner in one, as well as the shower shelf, a shower gel. The shower head is adjustable. And this is it. You also have a little shelf right here in the bathroom, in the shower area, which is nice. Now here I also have a bunch of hooks, as you can see. This hook comes with the room. These ones I get on Amazon. They're magnetic. As you know, if you don't know, now you know that all the walls on cruise ship cabins are magnetic. So you could get these hooks. And you could hang up additional stuff. Now, this lovely handbag here was gifted to us by Princess. Everybody that boarded the ship on the sailing received one, which is really cool. We love that. This is a king-size bed, which is composed of 2 twin size, but there's no wedge in the middle. It feels so comfortable. There's no like bump out or anything like that here. Really, really great. In fact, let me turn the light on for the cabin so you can see a little better. Oops. I guess it was turned on, but anyway. So here you have 2 bedside tables. You have 2 drawers on each side. Here, let me turn this on. You have 2 drawers on each side here, and a big little shelf right there. Right here, this is the regular for 2, balcony cabin for 2, so there's no couch. You have a trash bin, you have a little table, and you have this little stand right here that houses your mini fridge. Okay, we'll talk about that in a second. On this side, you have another bedside table with another lamp, and this is your vanity. The vanity has a light on it as well. And you have 2 American-style plugs, one right here. You have one right here. Then you have a European one there if you need an adapter. Another thing, you can order an adapter for free to be delivered to your stateroom, again, from the app. So if you wanted to do that, you could do that. You could order additional plug if you need it. What we do is we bring this thing right here, it has many USBs, because all of our stuff has USB ports, so we don't need like regular plugs. That's sufficient. Then on this vanity you have 3 drawers, and the top one houses your hairdryer, okay, and 2 more deep drawers down below. Now on this side you have your mirror and you have your mini fridge. This mini fridge is an actual fridge. It's not a cooler. It keeps everything nice and cold. We brought 2 bottles of wine. You're allowed to bring 2 bottles per cabin. And you could also bring 2 6-packs of sodas per cabin if you'd like. And there's additional storage right here, okay, on this side. Now this is the magnetic board that I bring, and then we write notes to each other on occasion. This is a little the towel animal. We asked our room attendant to make for us. Princess typically does not do towel animals, but if you ask them, they will. Like our stateroom attendant did. He made one for us because we love stuffed animals. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. All right, and this is the balcony. I have to film it on another day because I couldn't get the door to open when I did the room tour. So this is it. You get here 2 chairs, a table. It's not wide by any means, but it's nice to sit down. This is currently our view right now. We're headed back. We're on a second sea day. Tomorrow is our last day, last sea day. But yeah, this is the room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. Happy cruising.